Hello and welcome to CarPal. My name is Vignesh, and in this video we are going to be looking at the 2021 update for the Kia Seltos. We are going to be looking at what's changed and what's kept the same, and of course the fresh pricing for each and every variant of the Kia Seltos, so that you are up to speed about what's different. For all the new viewers and subscribers looking at this video, let me just give a small introduction. So we are CarPal. We are a multi-brand new car virtual dealership that sells cars online. So if you're in the market to buy a new car, you don't have to go through the 4 or 5 showrooms that you have to usually visit. All you have to do is visit trycarpal.com, and that's our website, which will give you complete information about what the on-road price is, what our special CarPal price is, what is in stock, what is not in stock, when can you get these cars delivered, and what are the finance options like, what is the exchange options like, and so on. So this is going to give you a bundle of information, all the information that you need to make your decision. Now, if you are also not too sure about which car to buy, all you have to do is just sign up, and we have a bunch of digital tools to help you figure out which car is better based on your budget and preferences, or you can talk to us over the phone and figure out which car to buy as well. You can buy this completely online. Or if you have made up your mind about which car to buy, and let's say for example you're looking at the Kia Seltos, all you have to do is go to the Kia Seltos page on our website, and you will know what variant, which color is available in stock, or when we can get this delivered to you. And if you like a particular variant and color, go ahead and just completely book the car online, and we will take it from there. So back to the Kia Seltos, right? So remember that the Kia Seltos now comes in a bunch of variants. You have HTE, you have HTK, you have HTK Plus, you have HTX, HTX Plus, GTX Optional, which is the new variant, and you have GTX Plus. And now there are a bunch of common changes, right? For example, you have a new logo, which is something you're going to find on the front, on the hood. You are going to find it in the rear tailgate, and even on the wheel caps, and of course the steering wheel as well, right? That's across all variants naturally. And from the HTK Plus and variant and upwards, right? So you have something called remote engine start. Basically, you have a key fob, right? So, and in the key fob, you have a button in the center, and when you long hold that button for say 5 seconds, if I'm not wrong, the engine turns on in your vehicle. So it's the cool thing, but of course there are some conditions and parameters involved. For example, your car will have to be in neutral gear, you need to have your parking brake on and things like that. So, but nevertheless, it's quite cool. So next is from the HTX variant and upwards, you have OTA map updates. That's over-the-air map updates happening across. For example, if Kia releases a new map for your inbuilt navigation system, your car can download it automatically, right? And next is you have these additional voice command, artificial intelligence voice commands. So just like how you can say hello Kia and things like that, so you have a lot more commands that the system can now understand. So first, let's look at the HTE variant. Now the HTE variant comes only available in 2 options, but you get the 1.5 petrol with manual transmission and the 1.5 liter diesel with manual transmission, and you also get it only in 2 colors, which is white and silver, right? When it comes to changes, there are really no changes in the HTE variant, and it's just the Kia logo change. But it's understandable because the base variants are almost always very sensitively priced, right? Even if you look at the ex-showroom price of the HTE petrol manual, it's currently at 9.95 lakhs, and even if this ex-showroom price, for example, goes up to 10 lakhs, you get into a completely different road tax slab, you get tax collector at source and so on, which sort of inflate your complete on-road price. And therefore a lot of manufacturers, not just Kia or Hyundai, they try and stick their sensitive variants to just below 10 lakhs. So if you look at the on-road price for the HTE, the petrol manual comes 11.61 lakhs on-road Tamil Nadu, and the diesel manual comes to 12.77 lakhs. So above the HTE is the HTK variant, and this, like the HTE, comes only available in 2 options, which is the 1.5 petrol manual and the 1.5 diesel manual. And it's a very key variant because, in my opinion, it gives you exactly what you would need in a car, but not exactly what you want. So in 2021, what you would need is, you get a proper AC vent. I mean, you get proper AC, you get rear AC vents, you get power windows and so on. You also get an Apple CarPlay Android Auto touchscreen system, and with reverse camera as well. So that's pretty well packaged in my opinion. So what's different is that in the earlier HTK variant you had the same touchscreen, but in this variant you have this Apple CarPlay and Android Auto being wireless. So earlier you had to connect your phone to the car, but in this case you don't have to connect your phone to the car anymore through the wire. It's wireless. And the cool thing about this particular variant is that this 8-inch touchscreen is there, right? So it gets wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, but the higher variants don't get them. So this sort of practice is there even in the Kia Sonet, where the lower variant gets the wireless projection, but the higher variants unfortunately don't get them. So that's the biggest change in the HTK variant. And the pricing for the HTK variant on road Tamil Nadu. The petrol manual works out to 13.11 lakhs and the diesel manual works out to 14.36 lakhs. So now we're looking at the HTK Plus variant, which is basically like a connecting variant between the low-end trims and the high-end trims of the Seltos, portfolio of variants. Right? It's a very important, very key variant. And that's why you have a lot of options with it. You have a 1.5 petrol manual, you have a 1.5 diesel manual, you have a 1.5 petrol with IMT, which is a new transmission introduced, and you have a 1.5 liter diesel with automatic. So you have 4 options only with this HTK Plus variant. So there are no major feature changes introduced in this particular update, but for that remote engine start capability that's there in the key fob, right? That is now going to be available from this variant and upwards. But if you're looking for the HTK Plus IMT, you have some features exclusive for this particular variant, which are the electric sunroof, you have auto climate control, and you have beige color fabric seats, right? So Kia has sort of exclusively earmarked these features only for the IMT, and it's Kia's initiative to sort of push the IMT transmission, not just Kia, even Hyundai for that matter, to push the IMT transmission as much as possible. So even if you look at the Sonet, the Venue, the i20, the IMT is only available with the 1 liter turbocharged petrol, but with this particular Seltos update, it's the first time that the IMT is going to be mated to a 1.5 naturally aspirated petrol engine. So Kia and Hyundai feel that the IMT is the future, and therefore they are introducing this with the Seltos, and that's why you have these exclusive features locked for this IMT. Now, from a pricing perspective, the HTK Plus 1.5 petrol manual works out to 14.36 lakhs on road Tamil Nadu. The diesel manual works out to 15.79 lakhs. The HTK Plus IMT, the one that we just spoke about, works out to 14.84 lakhs. And then the diesel automatic, 1.5 diesel automatic, works out to 16.93 lakhs. So next is the HTX variant, which is above the HTK Plus. Right, and this variant, keep in mind that if you're looking for a 1.5 petrol manual, this is the top variant available in the Seltos portfolio at this point of time. So the HTX variant gets you 1.5 petrol manual as an option, 1.5 diesel manual as an option, and a 1.5 petrol IVT. So this option is again exclusive to the HTX variant, and you don't get it in anything else. So what's different in the HTX? Basically what Kia has done is sort of borrowed more safety features from the top variants and sort of introduce them in this variant, right? So what you get in the HTX right now are electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, brake assist, and hill ascent control. So these are 4 features, electronic safety features, borrowed from the GT variants from earlier and introduced in the HT variants of the 2021 update. So when it comes to pricing, the petrol HTX manual works out to 16.44 lakhs. Remember, this is the top variant available for the 1.5 petrol manual as of now. The diesel manual works out to 17.74 lakhs, and the petrol IVT, which is again exclusive to the HTX variant and you don't get it with anything else, right? So this comes to 17.72 lakhs on road Tamil Nadu. So next up is the HTX Plus variant. So just like how you have the HTK and HTK Plus, you have a HTX and HTX Plus. So now this variant is only available with the 1.5 liter diesel manual, right? Earlier it used to be available with the automatic also, but in this particular update you have it only with the manual. The automatic is unfortunately discontinued. So what's the big change? Actually there is nothing except for one, which is the upholstery change, right? So you have a new leatherette upholstery color called Gentle Brown, which is going to be available in this particular variant. So apart from that, you have the 4 safety features we spoke about with the HTX that's going to be available here also. That is electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, brake assist, and hill assist. So when it comes to pricing, remember that the HTX Plus only comes with the diesel manual, and that's priced at 18.98 lakhs on road Tamil Nadu. Above the HTX Plus variants, you enter the GT line of variants in the Seltos portfolio, right? So in the GT line of variants, you get the GTX optional variant, which is a newly introduced variant, right? And this comes only with the 1.4 liter turbo petrol and manual transmission. Now, earlier in the previous version, you had something called GTX, and now there's a GTX optional. So naturally one would think there is a lot of addition that's happened, but you know, there's been additions and there's also been deletions, right? So the additions are basically from the GTX Plus. So they have borrowed some more features from the GTX Plus and put it here in GTX. So which is basically the ventilated front seats. You have power driver seat, and you have the Bose speaker system that's now introduced in the GTX optional variant. But what's been deleted from the GTX to GTX optional variant is the side and curtain airbag. So that's gone. So you have only 2 airbags in this particular variant, not 6, only 2. And the next thing is that the GTX variant had like UV cut glass, which basically means that, you know, it prevents the ultraviolet radiation from coming inside. That was a very cool thing, but unfortunately that's been deleted as well. And the third thing that's been deleted is the heads-up display. Now it was a very cool feature, but unfortunately Kia has taken this out as well. So overall, Kia has basically made this variant slightly more optimized from a pricing angle as well as from a packaging angle. So the GTX optional comes only with the 1.4 turbo petrol and manual, and that comes to 18.45 lakhs on road Tamil Nadu. So above the GTX optional is the true top end, that's GTX Plus, right? GTX Plus comes available with the 1.4 turbo petrol and 6-speed manual, the 1.4 turbo petrol and 7-speed dual clutch, and the 1.5 liter turbo diesel with the 6-speed automatic. These GTX Plus variants don't see too much change, except for one critical one, which is the paddle shifters for the automatics. Because the paddle shifters, I mean, these were expected in the Seltos earlier itself, because the Creta gets it, but you know, it's been only introduced in this particular version. So from a pricing perspective, you get the GTX Plus turbo petrol manual at 20 lakhs on road Tamil Nadu. So the 1.4 turbo petrol with 7-speed DCT at 20.93 lakhs, and the 1.5 diesel with 6-speed automatic at 21.2 lakhs. All these are on-road prices for Tamil Nadu. So thank you so much for watching. This video is all about the Kia Seltos and the 2021 update, what's changed, what's different, and what's the pricing like. My name is Vignesh, and if you're looking to buy a new car, all you have to do is come to trycarpal.com. Have a great day.